Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. So last week was another good week for us. Many of the stocks performed well as per the planning. I hope you made money as well. Let's start analyzing DFM market index. I'm on the higher time frame, that is weekly chart. This is the place where fresh rally has started from, that is 4658. Before that we saw a recovery from this zone, that is around 4000, that is around 3986 points, a strong upside momentum. This was a proper retracement or a correction, I must say, of this leg to the upside. This is a correction phase and now market is gearing up for another big momentum. Most likely, of course, this was the first upside momentum after this correction. We saw a small retracement. This is a good sign or indication of a bull market where move to the upside are bigger, retracements are smaller. Market is recovering very quickly and making good upside momentum with good thrust. So last to last week, market closed very positive. We saw a big green candle. Weekly candle for last week is also green but small in size. Still nothing to worry. I think market wants to continue going up from here. I have identified next area of resistance, that is 5822 points. Let me highlight again, this is the area that I'm looking at. Most likely this should be tapped very soon. Once this zone is covered, then I will identify another area of resistance and I will update you. On the weekly chart, there is no sign of weakness. Bears are not in control. Definitely we are seeing aggressive buyers. On the daily chart also we are seeing a nice bullish price action. Check this out. This is the low. From here it made a high. This is the leg down, a small correction phase of this upside momentum, and from here we are seeing a fresh momentum or fresh rally to the upside. This is the first pullback after this leg up. I think from here we will see more upside momentum. As I keep mentioning, there are good opportunities in the market, so select your stocks very carefully. In case if you are busy and you do not know how to select your stocks, then join my YouTube membership where I provide detailed analysis with entry and exit points. Talking about DFM market index, on the daily chart it's looking picture perfect. We can see it has printed a pause candle after this solid green candle. Support is still intact at 5680 points. In case if market wants to come back for a retest, this is a perfect demand area, and from here I'm expecting a move to the upside. In case if at all this zone does not hold, nothing to worry, market is still bullish. It can come down to revisit 5565 points, possibly a sideways momentum, and then a continuation is expected. Overall, DFM market index is bullish. Any dip should not be considered as bearish. It would be a buying opportunity in the market. Coming week, I'm expecting a follow through. This is the weekly chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. A perfect momentum on the weekly chart is seen. Check this out. This is the solid green candle that it printed last to last week. After this fresh upside momentum, this was the first leg to the downside. Last week's candle close is positive. Check this out. This is a nice green candle. It has closed exactly on the dot. It went up till 10,000 points. As I have been mentioning, this is psychological and technical resistance. It hit 10,000 points. Closing is at 9,881. This is looking very interesting. Most likely this zone, that is 10,000 points, should be taken out. After that there is minor resistance at 10,051 points. Overall, on weekly chart, I don't see any signs of worry. Market has recovered very nicely. In fact, it's in bullish territory. It's very positive. We saw this upside momentum. Correction phase was seen. Again, it dipped, retested almost the same area, and from here we are seeing nice bullish momentum. There are still chances it can continue its upside move. Next week will be very important. Let's see if at all it can break past 10,000 and close above this level. Let's go down to daily chart and see how the market is looking. Even here it has touched the resistance. Check this out, how beautifully my mark zones are working out. I had mentioned 10,000 is psychological and technical resistance area. In last trading session, that is in Friday's session, we can see market went up, hit the resistance. Clearly we saw rejection. So is this bearish? Not really. This was just the tap into the resistance. There are good chances it can survive here, either go sideways or it can even come down to revisit 9,929 points and then a breakout. Overall, market is very bullish. It's very strong. There are very good opportunities as you are seeing. I hope you are not missing them. A strong leg to the upside is seen. a small retracement, and now we are expecting a follow through. Even though if it comes down maybe into this pocket that is around 9815 to 9858, this zone is good demand area for ADX market. We can expect a tap into this zone, maybe a sideways and then a follow through. Overall, in any scenarios, ADX market index is bullish. So coming week, I'm expecting a follow through. One of the best performing stock, or I must say one of the hot cakes in ADX market, is Presight without a doubt. I'm sure everyone must have taken a slice of this cake. Last week we saw very nice aggressive momentum in this stock. It's been climbing up. It is now trading at all-time high. Remember this, it's very important. Closing is at 3.86. Immediate support is at 3.62 and then we have 3.40. All our targets are hit in Presight. Partial booking is already done. Something very important, we do not have previous areas of resistance as it is now trading at all-time high. So as per the next resistance, that is 4.00, that is psychological resistance. This is what I have identified. There are good chances in Monday session, if at all market taps into this zone, I'm expecting a rejection very soon because rally has started from 2.17. We are not seeing a proper correction phase. Still, there are chances it can go up, get rejected, come down, or it can get rejected from current zone itself, that is at 3.86, come down to visit any of the support areas. It will not be negative, it will be still considered as buying opportunity. We are seeing a strong upside momentum right from this area, that is 1.69 onwards. Slowly and steadily it was climbing up, but right from this zone, that is around 2.15, this is the place from where we are seeing aggressive push to the upside. It's in a strong upside momentum. I would not be surprised if at all it opens with a big gap up. If that happens, then remember buying has started from this area. We are not seeing a proper retracement or correction in Presight. There are very good chances if it opens with a big gap up, those who bought at the lower levels, they will soon start to book the profits. Price may come down. Good scenario will be flat or a small gap up, so at least new buyers can join in and it can go higher from here. Maybe then get resisted and then come down. So overall, I'm still expecting upside momentum, but I will be very cautious because now it is trading at all-time high, number one. Number two, it is stretched. Number three, we did not see any proper correction, so I'm expecting a pullback. That's when I will try and enter with good quantities. So overall, Presight is very bullish. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.